Good morning. So today's topic is again theorems on Poisson's bracket, and today's theorem is that suppose if you are given that u is the function of q p t, then du upon dt is equals to u comma h plus del u upon del t. So this is the theorem. Now what you have been given, before starting the proof we will write that you know that u is the function of u q comma p comma t. This implies du upon dt is equals to du upon qk into d del qk upon del t. Sorry, this is the chain rule. So when we are using chain rule, we will write it like this: plus del u upon del pk into dpk upon dt, and finally plus del u upon del t. So here with respect to u, q, p and t, we have written the chain rule. So this comes out to be del u upon del qk into q dot k plus del u upon del pk into p dot k plus del u upon del t. Now name it equation number 1. So what we have done here, we have interchanged the values, है ना. So we have interchanged del dqk upon dt with respect to q dot k, dpk upon dt to p dot k. Now from Hamilton's equation of motion, what can you say? From Hamilton's equation of motion. Now from Hamilton's equation of motion, we can conclude that del h upon del qk equals to minus p dot k, and del h upon del pk is equals to q dot k. So from this you can write that this implies del h upon del qk is equals to minus del pk upon del t, because here is the derivative and here you can write it as del pk upon del t. Similarly, del h upon del pk will be written as del qk upon del t. Now name this as equation number 2. Now when we are using equation 1, this is your equation 1 in equation 2. So using equation 1 in equation, using equation 2 in equation 1. So minus del pk upon del t, del pk upon del t will be replaced by del h upon del qk. So now the equation will become, we will write, so now I am writing using equation 2 in equation 1. So you write du upon dt. Du upon dt equals to, du upon dt will be del u upon del qk into del h upon del pk plus, minus del u upon del pk into del h upon del qk plus del u upon del t. So you have used equation 2 in equation 1. Now this is your Jacobian. So this is the Jacobian for u comma h with respect to q and p plus del u upon del t, and this was your statement कि यही हमें प्रूफ करना था कि du upon dt is Poisson's bracket u comma h for qp plus del u upon del t. Okay, so now next part of the theorem. So next part is also a very small theorem. It says that prove that dh upon dt is equals to del h upon del t. Okay, so you have to show So the theorem is prove that dH upon dt equals to del H upon del T. This is a short theorem, so we are writing that dH upon dt. First of all, we write like this. We already know that du upon dt can be written as u comma h प्लस डेल यू अपॉन डेल टी. अभी हमने एक थ्योरम पढ़ा है, उसके अंदर ये किया था. ठीक है. नाउ वी सब्स्टिट्यूट, पुट u इक्वल्स टू h. सो दैट मीन्स यू हैव डेल h अपॉन, इट्स नॉट डेल h, इट्स dh अपॉन dt is equals to Poisson's bracket for h comma h plus del h upon del t. Now we know that Poisson's bracket h comma h becomes 0. So that means you will have dh upon dt is equals to del h upon del t, and hence the theorem. This was the very short theorem. Again you have a short theorem like this, that you have a question that if u does not contains, if u does not contains time t explicitly, then du upon dt is equals to u comma h. So this is another short theorem based on the previous theorem. So we are writing proof. Now we already know that du upon dt is equals to Poisson's bracket u comma h plus del u upon del t. Now from this equation 1, u does not contains time t explicitly, so u does not contain time t explicitly. अगर ये explicitly contain नहीं करता है, इसका मतलब है उसका partial derivative with respect to t will be 0. This is your equation number 2. Now use equation 2 in 1. Using equation 2 in equation 1, you can write du upon dt is equals to Poisson's bracket u comma h plus 0. This is nothing but u comma h, and hence the theorem. So here you have completed the theorems on Poisson's bracket. अब जो next form है हमारा, या जो next topic है, that topic is conservation theorem in Poisson's bracket formulation. So conservation theorem, हमने कितनी conservation theorems पढ़ी है? We have had 3 conservation theorem: conservation of linear momentum, conservation of angular momentum, and conservation of टोटल मोमेंटम. तो ये 3 मोमेंटम्स कंजर्वेशन की थ्योरम हमने पढ़ी थी इन यूनिट 1 आई गेस. अब इसी तरीके से कंजर्वेशन थ्योरम्स है, लेकिन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पॉइजन्स ब्रैकेट. सो दैट विल बी आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक.